Hello team, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Please be safe and stay healthy. So today, as you see in the screen, there is a drawing of shuttering plate. This is a drawing of shuttering plate rear view. Okay. So today we are going to draw this drawing in AutoCAD. First task, draft this in AutoCAD, and second major task is we are make the same for fabrication drawing. Means we are going to make fabrication drawing. Okay, before going to make or jump to the software, just tell some basic about fabrication drawing, why we need the fabrication drawing, and where we use the fabrication drawing. Fabrication drawing, basically a drawing is made before the production is going to be happen. Okay, means for example, this is your factory, where factory workshop. Okay, this is your factory workshop, and you have to make this shuttering plate. Okay, so what you do, you have to just make a soft floor drawing and put that drawing to your factory. So the factory member is making the production as per your drawing, fabrication drawing. Before they making the fabrication drawing, once they also generate a proto. Proto means they start one complete drawing, one complete shuttering plate. Sorry, they make one model of complete shuttering plate as per your soft floor drawing. If all the holes, location, position fit properly, then batch production is going to be start. Means like you have to made a 20,000 shuttering plate. Okay, so if any one of the angle or length is going to be cut with wrong dimension. Okay, so what happen if you directly cut to 20,000 pieces, then your material is fully waste. They are not going to be used in this shuttering plate. So there is a bigger loss of financial. Okay, so financial aspect, there is a issue regarding this. First, and second, if you why we use soft floor drawing, we directly send this image to your shuttering plate. We send it to shuttering plate drawing to our factory. We send it, but what happened there in this drawing, there is a two dimension only mentioned. Means the overall length of the shuttering plate is 1 meter, width is 1 meter, and this is equal distance. Means 1 meter divided into 3 equal parts. Here equal distance is 1 meter divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so this much of information only provided in this drawing. But what is the cutting length? What is the cutting length? Exact question is that. Means what is the cutting length of each and every part we are cutting? So nothing is mentioned in this drawing. That's why we make soft floor drawing, where we can make each and every part pieces. Means we just unbox, means just break into small pieces. Like just for example, we just say that one angle, take one angle of 450 mm cutting length, Okay, another angle cut with the dimension of 300 mm means like this we have make a small pieces, and we're not sharing this to our factory. We just send our soft floor drawing and proto, uh, means proto is means first, that is proto is going to be happen. Okay, so this is the small shuttering plate. We directly send it to we sometime we directly send it to our factory. Means they have so much experience, they can make it easily. Once they make first proto, they start their production. Means hit and trial method. As you know, they just hit and trial. What's going to be cutting length? They just cut as per their experience basis, and they start production. Once they finalize the proto, they have start production. But main issue is, suppose we have a transmission tower, means everyone know and see the transmission tower where electricity flow. It, that is approx 12 meter, 30 meter, 20 meter, and there is a bracing, lots of angle, gasket plate, anchor bolt, lots of angles are there. So suppose you have to give your production team for this drawing. At that time, they face challenges to make this drawing without soft floor drawing. In the shuttering plate drawing, they may easily produce it for production, but this transmission tower they have to very challenging, means here only cutting and welding portion, but in transmission tower there is a cutting with gasket plate with bolting, means lots of hole position with mark, means hole, lots of hole in the angle for bolted connection. So this is challenging. That's why we make fabrication drawing. Okay. In fabrication drawing, we break it into small pieces. We don't send this drawing. We just saying you don't do anything. Just take an angle of 45, 45, whatever the size is there, and cut it into this much of length. Means example 400 mm, 500 mm. Okay, and from the corner point take 50 mm, mark a hole, take 20 mm, mark a hole, take 30 mm, mark a hole. Means we clearly mention in that drawing, means take 3000 mm length, mark a hole at 50 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm. Same as this side, each dimension is opening. What about other face? Because angle have two face. One face is clearly visible from the top, other face is towards your side. That is equal to the thickness. For example, this is angle. Suppose you are seeing from the top, this is top position. So you can clearly visible this much of length. But this thickness is outside the board, means towards your side. So what about the other side? If you assemble angle here, the other side is also somewhere connected. So we also tell him, production team, in the form of drawing that what you have to do in opposite side. Like if you have to do nothing, then we just say that we cut that angle only. If we have hole also, then we also tell him that the opposite side have also hole and cut and drill that hole. So this is about soft floor drawing and fabrication drawing. Why we use, why necessary. Okay. So now we are going to jump to our AutoCAD software and start making the shuttering plate. Means we are going to draw this drawing in AutoCAD. After that we are making the soft floor drawing in next video. In this video we just going to drop this model. Okay, so 1 meter by 1 meter, here MSC 3.15 mm thick and MS angle section is used 50 into 50 into 6 mm. Okay, so what we do, just select a rectangle, click D, enter, provide dimension 1000 into 1000, 1000 mm into 1000 mm, a rectangle is made. We just put offset command, pointer, we put 50 mm inner side. Why we put 50? Because the angle used here is MS angle 50 into 50 into 6. Okay. Now we just draw construction line. This side, and before drawing construction line we just take a simple line. Okay, what you do, we divide, actually we are going to divide this portion into 3 equal parts. So just go to draw tool, select, divide, command line they are asking for select object to divide, we just select. Now they are asking enter a number of segment, please enter the number. We have to divide it into 3 parts. Click enter. As we select here, 2 nodes are, means 2 points are generated here. Now we select a construction line and draw here. Now again space, construction line select, F8 for ortho, draw here. Same one more construction line we select and draw here. And delete that line and point. Our task is completed. Okay. Now we just select some space and trim extra line. TR enter, TR double enter and select that region and delete this box. So center line also drawn. Now we just offset outer side, outer page here. Now this and this is only center line. We have to make a MS angle also here. So we just offset 25 mm this side, 25 mm this side. Same for this, same for this. 25 mm offset, 25 mm offset. Okay. Now again we use trim command, TR enter, select. So this is our angle and center line is already made at the center position. This is our center line. We have changed this color. Okay. Now we have made the overall dimension. Now the other side also visible from the top. Other side means the 6 mm thick, the for example, this is our angle position. Okay, if you see from this side, we can see full dimension. Okay, but this much of thickness means the thickness of the angle is also from outer side. So one line is also here. What we do, we just offset the about thickness, means 6 mm thickness of the angle, so 6 mm inner side, same as each angle. This angle, this angle, which side we are going to make is not a mandatory or anything defined here. So either this side or this side, any side we are going to make, but we are going to make in each and every angle. Okay, this is mandatory. Okay. So we just finishes our task. First task is completed. We just open dimension. As we see 1000 mm. This is also 1000 mm because we select a rectangle. To increase dimension size, just go on the property command MO. Select text height is about 25. Click on enter, and your dimension size is increased. If you want make it as a default, you have to change from dimension setting, not from here. Means 1000 mm into 1000 mm. Our first job is completed. After that, we have to make a rough estimate. Rough estimate means how it's going to really look. This is, I've already made it. This is a rough estimate, means MS angle and MS seat. MS angle 1000 into 1000 and thickness is 3.15 mm. Total weight is 24 kg. How this come? We just calculate the volume, and we all know density of the steel is 7850 kg. Multiply with volume. This is mm. We convert it into meter and calculate it into kg. Same, we have just roughly calculated the running meter of angle, means 1 meter, 1 meter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and center 7. 7 meter of MS angle is used, and MS angle 5056 weight is 4.5 kg per meter cube per meter. Okay. So what we do, just multiply 7000. First we convert it into meter and multiply with 4.5 kg, and this value come about 31.5. So we have just summed this, and our one shuttering weight is about 56 kg, 56.225 kg. This is a approx. Okay. When we make the shop floor drawing, we make another BOQ, BOM, bill of material, with each and every cutting lengthwise. This is just means 7 meter. In that video, we make each and every angle with mark. Means we just put each and every cutting length has a specific mark, so that at the time of assembly, mark is going to means at the time of assembly there is no problem while assembling the angle. Each mark has specific position and assemble easily. Okay, so next video we are making a soft load of this drawing only, how to make the soft load of certain plate. Okay, thank you, be safe.